Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we're gonna go on a history hike around the Château de Crussol.
Where there is not only this stunning castle, but also some Roman remains.
Let's see what's there to see. Our hike starts at the wonderful castle of Crussol. If you weren't here yet for our previous video, then you might be interested in watching that one first. In it, we showcase the castle and its medieval town in more detail, as well as talking about its history. You can find a link in the description. This large site of 3 hectares used to house around 600 people in some 140 houses. The castle at the top of the rock was reserved for the Lord of Crussol, of course. From here you have a perfect view over the Rhone Valley, so it's no wonder why this castle had such an important strategic role.
We leave the castle through a postern gate in the southwestern end of the ramparts which circle the town. From here the trail climbs higher along the cliff's edge, delighting us with views over the castle, but also over the valley and the city of Valence.
You may see us tap the white and red signs now and then. Those are the trail markers for the GR42, which we'll be following on this hike for a large part. This Grande Randonnée will take you from Saint-Étienne near Lyon all the way to the Mediterranean along the hills and cliffs, aka the balconies, of the Rhone River. A whopping 450 kilometers. It's definitely on our bucket list.
According to Google Maps, we were supposed to stumble upon some impressive historical sites along the hike too. A Merovingian rampart, some Gallo-Roman fortifications, and a quarry dating to that time. And the quarry was supposed to house something else special as well.
We may have taken a wrong turn here and there, but we didn't find the Merovingian or Gallo-Roman fortifications, besides some stones heaped together to form what looks like the outline of a building. Hard to say if that was very historical or not, we honestly think it wasn't.
As we descended from the cliff's edge, we could see the traces of the Gallo-Roman quarry. We turned away from the trail in search of the one last secret hidden in this ancient site. With the quarry walls looming over us, we looked around the debris. We even climbed on top of the large stone piles in the hopes of catching sight of this ancient gem.
That? We found it! We've been looking around all over the place, but we found it! Let's show you what it is.
Wha-bam!
Wha-bam! It's a Gallo-Roman sarcophagus. Wha-bam!
Must have been quite a long Gallo-Roman.
Small.
Well, yeah, long but thin.
Besides Gallo-Roman stuff, there's even older stuff.
Hello, welcome to the Paleontology Hikers. Dries just dropped this stone and... wha-bam!
Wha-bam.
Ammonite fragment.
Prehistory. Very much pre.
Pretty cool though.
Back on the trail, we discovered that there are more quarries to be found. The stone that was extracted from this mountain was used as building stones all along the Rhone Valley. The white limestone could receive a polish so fine that it was compared to marble. The majority of the houses, farms or castles in the area, like Crisol itself, have been built with this white limestone.
The trail leads on through the wooded western slopes of the Crusoll Massif, making for a very relaxing walk. Eventually we caught sight of the castle again, bathing in the midday sunlight as it signaled the end of our hike.
We're back at the Chateau de Crusoll. Last week's video. Be sure to check it out if you want to see more.
Yeah, that was quite a nice history hike. I'm really glad that we found the sarcophagus after all.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.
And like, comment, subscribe and all